In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the eraser tool in Photoshop. Now, it's really easy to do. You click the eraser and you can just start going nuts with it. You can select a certain brush if you want it more of a soft brush or a hard round brush. It's really up to you. And it works the same way as an eraser would work. Sometimes you want to cut something out of an image. So there's a couple different settings here. So I like to use the Magic Eraser tool. So what that's going to do is you're going to see the eraser tool logo here. And let's say I just want to cut out the white around this GIF logo. So what I can do is simply click and it's going to delete it. Now, this is a very simple, easy example, but that's going to delete the color that it chooses or what it's choosing to erase. Most times it's really helpful to use in basic shapes and stuff like that to just erase something really quickly, really simply, and there you go. So I can just come to a picture like this, I can come to the Magic Eraser tool, and it probably won't work as well. So I'm just going to click and you see it messing up because the color is changing and the selection that the eraser is choosing is changing and it's different. So that's why it's in pieces like this. But you could still go and click because it's just gonna erase the color that it's choosing, and there you go. It's really easy to use the eraser tool in Photoshop, and there's a lot of things that you can go ahead and mess around with the flows and opacities, but it's pretty versatile, and there you have it. Hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you next time.